You remember, guys, the first time that we got the kittens home and they were in the pink box? This is the same pink box. There's Balam in their first home. We've been using the thing for transporting laundry, but the kittens, I think, recognize this as their box. So she's been putting dryer sheets in there, and yeah. Had to show you guys later. And there's the second fluff in the box.
They look so much bigger than they did.
They've gotten so much bigger. I'm gonna have to edit the old video of them in the box or the pictures with this so you guys can see the difference. The girls have definitely grown. Balam. Balam. No kitten in the box. Kitten next to box. Yep, that's how big they are, guys. They've grown a lot, and they're only 7 months. And their coats are coming in really, really super thick. There's some really pretty fuzz. Can't really see how thick they are, but this even Chell, she's been floofing out slower than her sister, but they're really fluffy. Balam. Balam. Can I get both of you in the box? Nobody's going in the box extra?
Pick her up.
Brr. Brr. Come keep your sister company. In the box. Yeah. They used to walk across this box. So, yeah, more box fun.